Solving Xbox Live Ethernet connection issues.
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be taking a look at what could be causing your Xbox Live Ethernet connection issues. Connectivity problems can often be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll go through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you resolve this issue. Remember, sometimes the simplest solution might be the most effective.
Is your Xbox system updated?
The first thing to check is if your Xbox system is updated to the latest version. Outdated software could potentially cause connectivity issues. To check for updates, 1. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. 2. Select Profile and System. 3. Select Settings, then System. 4. Select Updates and Downloads. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to update your Xbox.
Checking your Ethernet cable.
A faulty or damaged Ethernet cable could be the culprit. Try using a different Ethernet cable and check if the issue persists. Also, ensure that the cable is securely connected to both your Xbox and your router.
Inspecting your network hardware.
Sometimes, the issue may not be with your Xbox but with your network hardware. Consider resetting your router or modem. To do this, simply unplug your hardware, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. Allow it a few minutes to reset and reconnect.
Are you experiencing ISP or Xbox Live service issues?
In some instances, the problem could be from your Internet Service Provider, ISP, or a temporary Xbox Live service outage. Check with your ISP for any known issues and look at the Xbox Live service status on the official Xbox website.
Is your console's network setting correct?
Make sure your console's network settings are correct. Consider setting your IP settings to automatic if they are not already. Here's how to do it. 1. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. 2. Select Profile and System. 3. Select Settings, then General, then Network Settings. 4. Select Advanced Settings, then IP Settings. 5. Select Automatic. That concludes our guide on how to troubleshoot Xbox Live Ethernet connection issues. Remember, if all else fails, you can contact Xbox support for further assistance. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!